Assalamualaikum everyone, I am Farhana binti Islam. Welcome to my channel Tech Codism with Farhana. Today I am going to show you how to install and how to use FontAwesome 8.2. So let's go to the video. So first we have to go to Chrome and then we have to write FontAwesome 8.2 download. And then click here, and here you can see, here you have to click, and after that you have to click here and it will start download, and it's already done, and this is here. Okay, so after that we have to extract this, extract here. Yes, so guys, here you can see this is the FontAwesome jar, so you have to copy and then you can go local disk and then program file, and after that jam, and here you can paste. And this is not necessary, I just want to make all the JavaFX project file in one folder. Okay, for this reason I have copied and here paste. Okay, we have to go to netbeans, and only this project, this work, this is not mandatory, you can do another work also. Okay, so this is my JavaFX project, and here the libraries, and this is the file, this is the jar file, and here the FontAwesome like library. Then we have to go to add jar, and then we have to select a jar file and then open. So this is one process, and you can also directly go to the scene builder, or okay, let me check. Suppose this is demo of XML. So suppose this is my project, and this is my icon, and this is the FontAwesome icon. And only it will work when you add this FontAwesome icon folder, and this is the FontAwesome jar folder. So how can you do this? You have to click here, and after that jar file xml manager, and here you can see this is, and how you can take it. uh, Here add jar file, and after that where you just go there and program file java, and here just select and open, and after that it will be added. So no problem, and this is the process. I hope that you can understand, and if you like my video, so please do comment, like and share my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone. Allah Hafiz.